Hello everyone, welcome to another Jamber hand yoga. I'm Alan, your hand yoga coach. I'm a bioengineer and my wife and I founded Jamber because we're on a mission to improve hand health for everyone because it matters, because we all deserve hands that feel great so that we can do the things that we love to do. So welcome. We're gonna jump right into it. The first thing, our medical disclaimer. I'm not a doctor, I'm not a medical expert, this is not medical advice. There's a full disclaimer down below. And also, if you love hand yoga, if you love these classes, please join our community. You can subscribe with the subscribe button. You can click the little bell, and then you'll get alerts when we post new videos. So I hope you love the classes, and I hope you join us for some future ones as well. Okay, with that, we are going to get started. First thing we're going to do is a warm-up. So if you have a watch or something that impedes your motion, remove it and let's get started. Warm up. The importance of warming up so that we get kinetic energy, heat into our tendons and our muscles. And you can do that by holding a warm drink. Let the heat soak into your hands. You could put your hands in a warm bath of water. You could hold a hand warming Grippie. This thing right here, this is nice. I microwaved it for 2 minutes and it feels wonderful. I can squeeze it. It not only is helping my grip strength, but it's soothing my hands. It warms up my hands. If you don't have this, and by the way, links for all this stuff are down below. If you don't have this, let's just open and close our hands for a few moments together, just for like 10 seconds, and then we'll get started. And we're gonna end this session, this hand yoga session, with a 5 minutes hand massage. And so for that, you're gonna need some oil or oil-based moisturizer or lotion. All right, let's get ready. Everyone ready to do this? All right, first thing we're gonna do is motorcycle. Motorcycle is a great wrist stretch. And this is how it goes. We make a fist, I tuck my thumb underneath, and I'm gonna go down for the stretch right up here. And I take a deep breath in through my nose, out through my mouth. Alrighty, and now I'm gonna open my hands and go up for the opposite stretch. Breathe in, breathe out. 2 more sets. Down, breathe in, breathe out. And if you're new to hand yoga, up, breathe in. If you're new to hand yoga, doing this stretch sometimes causes a finger cramp. If you get a finger cramp, that's okay. Just loosen your hands, the finger cramp will go away. The more you do this, the less you'll cramp. Down, breathe in, breathe out. And finally up, breathe in, breathe out. Alrighty, shake it off. Very good, everyone. Next, we're gonna do our thumbs. So we're gonna do what's called giddy up. Giddy up looks like this. This is a wonderful thumb stretch. Okay, we're gonna close our fingers, drop our thumbs, wrap our fingers around our thumb. And now I'm gonna drop my hands. I'm gonna go down and you're gonna feel a really intense thumb stretch right up here. It's borderline uncomfortable or almost painful. It's a real good stretch. So we're gonna go down, breathe in, breathe out. And now up, breathe in, breathe out. And down, breathe in, breathe out. And up, breathe in, breathe out. One more set. Down, deep breath in through your nose. Feel that stretch. Breathe out. And up. Breathe in. Breathe out. Alrighty. That feels pretty good, doesn't it? That's a great stretch, especially if you're on your phones, you're texting, maybe you're holding a child, you're putting all the stress on your thumb. All right, next we're gonna do power fist. So power fist is a good, strong hand strengthening and stretching exercise. So power fist is, we're gonna make a closed fist. I'm gonna really focus. I'm gonna clench my fist and my thumbs together. Breathe in, breathe out. And now open as wide as I can. Open your hand, stretch your thumb. Breathe in. Breathe out. Now again, power fist. Breathe in. Breathe out. And open. Breathe in. Breathe out. You guys are doing great. One more to go. Closed. Ready, power fist. Breathe in. Breathe out. And open. Breathe in. Breathe out. Alrighty, we're right in the middle. So let's give our hands a little shake. Okay, we're gonna open and close them, open and close them. This should be a lot easier than it was in the beginning since we've done all these different stretches. If you have something to squeeze it quickly. Again, hand warming Grippie is really the best thing to squeeze. It's warm, it's comfortable, it's massaging, and I can focus on my grip. All right, I'm squeezing. If you don't have something like this, you could use a face cloth or a towel or a empty pair of pants or something. Alrighty? And now we're gonna move to the next two exercises, my favorite two, fingers. Okay, this next one is called sticky fingers. And we're gonna do it together. Here we go. We start with an open hand, a nice wide open hand. First thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna bring my index finger down and I'm gonna press, really press against my thumb. Press, here we go, press. My other fingers are far back. So it feels a little awkward, but this is great. This is a strength training exercise. This is a coordination exercise, and this is a range of motion exercise. So this really helps lots of aspects of our hands. You guys ready? Here we go. 3 sets. Index finger, squeeze. Other fingers are far back. Breathe in. Breathe out. And up, nice and wide. Middle finger, I'm squeezing down. My other fingers are far back. Breathe in. Breathe out. All right, very good. Up, nice and wide. Ring finger, squeezing down. My other fingers are far back. Breathe in. Breathe out. And up. And pinky, squeezing. Other fingers far back. Breathe in. Breathe out. And up. Again, index finger. Breathe in. Breathe out. And up. And middle finger, breathe in. Breathe out. And up. And ring finger, breathe in. Breathe out. And up. And pinky, squeeze down. Other fingers are far back. Breathe in. Breathe out. And up. One more set. You can do this, everyone. Ready? Index finger, squeeze. Really squeeze. Keep other fingers far back. Breathe in. Breathe out. And up nice and wide. And middle finger, breathe in. Breathe out. And up nice and wide. And ring finger, we're almost there. Breathe in. So I'm squeezing and I'm hovering. My other fingers are far back. Breathe in. Breathe out. And up. And pinky. Squeezing, breathe in. Breathe out. You guys are doing great. Up. Give them a little shake. And now for my favorite. This one is climbing hands. You guys ready? Here we go. Climbing hands is a 3-part exercise. And we start off with the finger curl. My fingers, my thumbs are curled in. It's also known as a tendon glide. Breathe in. Breathe out. Feels really good, doesn't it, everyone? And up nice and wide. And full fist. My fingers are curled in. My thumbs out. Breathe in. Breathe out. You're doing great. And up nice and wide. And now flat fist. So you'll see my fingers are flat against my palm and they're low. They're really low. My thumbs are out. Breathe in. Breathe out. And up. Another set. Finger curl. Breathe in. Breathe out. And up. And full fist. Breathe in. Breathe out. and up, and flat fist. Breathe in, breathe out, and up. And one more set, finger curl. This is our last one, so make this one count. Really curl your fingers in. Feel the tendon glide, feel the stretch. Breathe in, breathe out, and up for a good stretch. Full fist, breathe in, breathe out, and up, and flat fist. Breathe in, breathe out, and up. And you guys did it. Good job, everyone. Cool down, very important. Shake our hands. All right, we're gonna open and close them as fast as we can. And this should be a lot easier than it was before because our hands are so stretched and loose. Alrighty, again, back to gripping. If you have, or squeezing, if you have something to squeeze, squeeze it. And when you're squeezing, be aware of your posture, your alignment. We want your forearm to be aligned with your wrist. So you're not straining your wrist. You want to be nice and aligned, okay? And now we're going to do a quick massage. So if you have some oil, and we recommend olive oil. This is the Jamber organic hand therapy olive oil, massage oil. We recommend oil. You could use oil-based moisturizer or lotion. Alrighty, do a squirt or two. You want to lubricate your hands. Very important, so we're not going to damage our skin, and that's why massage therapists lubricate your skin. We don't want to put friction, heat, we don't want to drag across and damage skin. All right, you guys ready for this quick hand massage? And we recommend a longer one, but we're going to keep this one fast, maybe 3 minutes. We're going to start with our palm, up and down the tendon line, all the way to my MCP joints here, my metacarpophalangeal joints. Up and down, I'm looking for sore spots. I'm looking for scar tissue. I'm looking for knots. And when I find it, I can really work on them. That could be a trigger finger, bit of scar tissue. That could be, you might have the starts of Dupuytren's contracture. Want to really just focus on rubbing out the palm and the tendons. Other hand, same thing. And again, we're going kind of fast here, but you can take your time and really give yourself a good, long 15-minute massage. That's what I'm talking about when I say long, 15-minute. All right, go in circles. We're going to move to the thumb webbing. You've got your index bone, your thumb bone. They meet in a V, and we're going to squeeze them and really squeeze in that webbing side to side. There's a trigger point in there. You can just squeeze it for a moment. I'm also pressing in there. Squeeze the trigger point and let the tension get released. Alrighty? It's good for reducing headache, pain, back pain, jaw and tooth pain, and hand pain. Amazing, isn't it? Alrighty? And then we're going to do, very quickly, we're going to do our finger sides. So we're going to do the finger sides. I'm going to squeeze and pull. Squeeze and pull. Squeeze and pull. You guys are doing great. Alrighty. Squeeze and pull each finger, giving it some attention. I want to really focus on relieving any pain and tension that my hands might have. I want to just give my hands some affection and love. Love your hands. Alrighty. And now we're going to end it with the forearm. What we can do is we can find the elbow, the bones, top and bottom. These are epicondyles, and right here, got a bunch of stuff, tendons and muscles, and just get in there and squeeze it, mash it up. It's probably sore, that's okay. Right? You want to get in there and just rub it up, rub it. And this is going to really help. Your forearms are intricately connected to your hands. And so as we're building our hand strength, same thing on this side, you want to make sure that we're taking care of our forearms as well. All right, with that, we are done. Give your hands a squeeze, and we did it, everyone. You did it. I hope your hands feel wonderful. I hope they feel great. Please remember to subscribe. We're going to be releasing, and click the little bell. We're going to be releasing new videos all the time. And I'll introduce you to the ZENGRIP mug. This is actually how Jamber got our start. We spent 2.5 years designing a mug that our grandfather could use. It's a ceramic mug made in the US. Put your hands in a natural hand position, a whole hand grip. Your thumb is not needed. It has a handle stability kickstand there. It's a mug that anyone can use. And you can even squeeze it to improve your grip strength. Just a wonderful coffee mug. More information on this on our website. With that, everyone, have a wonderful day. And remember, keep moving your hands. When it comes to your hands, motion is lotion. Everyone, stay healthy, stay well, and we'll see you next time.